Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Terence here on Terry Tech channel. I am here with my second video to unbox and to give my first impressions on iPhone SE 2020.
Let's get it started.
So what is SE? SE stands for Special Edition. Guess what? I'm shooting this video from iPhone SE. It is costing $399 for 64 GB capacity iPhone. Let's talk about design. It is pretty easy to review this as you have already seen this before. No major changes from iPhone 7, mostly closer to iPhone 8. This iPhone has complete design of iPhone 8 as I told you. New improved 12 megapixel wide-angle camera with f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization. It is very good camera for the price of money from Apple. You will still get 4K, 24, 30, 60 frames per second video quality. It has 5 times digital zoom. But there is no night mode at all. Low light photos, not that great. 7 megapixel selfie camera is good. Also, portrait mode on main and selfie camera as well. This phone is absolutely smooth with latest A13 Bionic chip. Body is IP67 dust and water resistant, which is up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It has a glass back with wireless charging. You may end up with your fingerprints most of the time on your phone. And logo has changed to middle of the phone now. How about Touch ID without Face ID? In UAE, you may need to wear gloves while you are shopping. So, Touch ID will not work as well. Hence, it doesn't matter either way. You may end up entering password to unlock your phone. Apple released this phone with 3 colors: red, black and white. And all phones have black front bezels with Retina IPS LCD 4.7-inch display. There are 64, 128 and 256 GB capacity iPhones available. I do recommend to go for 128 GB as you don't want to worry about capacity for a while. You pay $50 extra and get the double of the capacity. 256 GB iPhone will cost you $549. Let me know on the comment below which one you will go for. So, iPhone SE 2020 is capable of 18-watt fast charging. But it does not come with the fast charging adapter in the box. You may need to buy it separately. Battery is not that great. It was less than 10% in the evening after my fair usage. Simply saying, it is all body with new internals for $399. What we get from this? It is all about brand new iPhone with affordable price tag. And if you are looking for a fast phone to stay connected to your friends and family, this is the phone for you. That's all about it. Catch you guys with the next one. Please make sure to subscribe and hit on the bell so you would be notified when I post a new video.